Hello, yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen. I want us to start with this chart, the one on my screen now. So you remember yesterday we were looking for a sell. We had a level here. We had a very good resistance. We expected that this could be a very good place to sell from. Unfortunately, the price just went upwards. So if you took a sell here, your stop loss was hit somewhere around this level here, because we said you're supposed to sell it there, have your stop loss there, and then have your take profit somewhere around this level here. So this is 0.95511. The place for entry was 0.96953, and then our stop loss was fixed at 0.97547. So our stop loss was taken out. The next place we want to sell it from is this level here. So we have a very good support. We had a support in the past somewhere here. We had another support, then we had a minor support here. The price went below it, retraced back to it, and then used it as a resistance. So if the price comes up and touches this level, this should now give us a good place to look for a sell from. Otherwise, if the price pulls down and touches this level, then this may be a good place to buy it from. So you may place a pending buy limit here, have your stop loss above, below the low of this candle. Your take profit should be here. And if you sell it here, have your stop loss above the high of this candle, this inside bar candle, have your stop loss above it, and you have your take profit somewhere here. That is EURUSD. The next chart is GBPUSD. So our stop loss was also taken out on this chart. We had a losing trade. We had a losing trade because we had a sell. We were watching for a sell somewhere here. It was a resistance. It was a resistance. We took a sell position. Our stop loss was fixed at the high of this candle. Then the take profit was here, and then the other take profit was somewhere here. So as long as the price is held above these two lines, the place where we sold from, which is these two lines, we expect the buyers to continue to push price upwards, at least up to this level. This is a place you may want to look for a sell position from. The other place is this one, and then the other one is this line here. So technically we are looking for a sell. When the price gets to this point, we'll be looking for a sell. If this level is broken, the next place we want to sell it from is this one. If this level is broken, then the next place we want to look for a sell from is somewhere around this level here. So you either sell it there, or you wait and sell it there, or you wait and sell it when the price hits the highest one. Your stop loss for any case should be the next level. So if you pick a sell here, your stop loss should be here, then the take profit should be this level at the bottom here. But if you sell it here, ensure you take profit somewhere around this level here. We'll move forward to the US dollar Japanese yen. We have it there. So this one here, we have a very good resistance level. As we mentioned yesterday, the price is yet to break beyond it. So we have like a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, and we have a resistance here. So as long as the price does not violate this level to the upper side, this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. So you may want to place a pending sell limit within these two lines. Have your stop loss above the high of this candle, this one, and your first take profit should be somewhere here. This is 141.870. Then the next take profit should be somewhere here. So you have a pending sell limit, your stop loss is here, your first take profit is here, and then the next take profit is somewhere here. But this is on the seller side, assuming instead of going down, the price breaks above this level, you just need to wait for a pullback to the same place before you can pick a buy position. So that's the only case we'll be looking for a buy. If the price ascends above this line, then pulls back to it, that should give us the best situation. We're supposed to look for a buy somewhere here. So that is the US dollar Japanese yen. So far we have EURUSD, we have GBPUSD, we have US dollar Japanese yen. We want to look at gold. Gold is doing well, perfectly as we wanted it. So you remember yesterday we had a very good support. We had a support which was broken. This was the support. So we said that following this breakout, this candle here, we were expecting that the price was supposed to pull back, which it's doing exactly that up to this point, so that we pick a sell position with our stop loss fixed at the high of this candle here. So the high of that candle is actually 1740.96. Our take profit is somewhere here, which is 1500.46. So you're supposed to pick a sell position, have your stop loss at the high of this candle, then have your take profit at this line here. So the take profit is at this level is just a second, 1500.46. Our entry is between 1680.45 or 1688.21, and then our stop loss is at 1740.96. So that is gold. We move to Brent oil. Nothing much is happening on Brent oil. We've not seen any clear moves since Monday, except for this bullish pullback. So we are still waiting to see what happens. There is a trend line here. We have a very good trend line. So the fact that the price went below this level and came back, this means this is a false breakout. So we're supposed to be looking for buy positions on this chart. Expect the buyers to push price upwards at least up to this line here. So if you took a buy position after this false breakout, expect the price to continue up to this resistance level here. Sell it there. Expect the buyers to push price upwards up to this resistance, where we want to look for a sell position back to the trend line we have at the bottom. So where the price is now is actually the best place to look for a buy from, and if that happens, expect the sellers to come in around this area here. So that should be it. I will move to the SP500. With the SP500, so far the price keeps violating our projections. It looks like every time we take a position for a buy, the price keeps going against it. So I want to still recommend a sell. We are still looking for buy positions, especially as long as the price does not break above this level here, below this level. So as long as the price does not go below these two lines, the one at the bottom is 3674.6, the one at the top is 3696.80. As long as the price does not break below these two lines, these are going to give us the best places to look for a buy from. So we want to see what happens. We want to see exactly what's happening within these two lines. We'll pick a position, expecting the buyers to push us upwards up to this point where we have our take profit. Then if that take profit is taken out, the next place is this one here. So look for buy positions from where the price is now. Expect the buyers to push us upwards up to this level. If this level is taken out, you may close half of the position, then expect a continuation upwards up to the next level, which is this one here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. I will meet again on Monday at the same time. Thank you and see you.